Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare Mobile Trans, and if you've seen the videos here on Mobile Trans, you'll already know that what we like to do on this channel is give you the latest unboxings of some of the latest phones, and there is nothing newer at the moment than the Samsung Galaxy S21. So today, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll unbox that brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So this is the S21 5G, and we'll do the unboxing of this first. And there might not be much to unbox anymore, but we'll get to that anyway. When you unbox this phone, if you've bought it as a retail version, like I have and you pre-ordered, you get two extra things as well as the phone. So you get these Galaxy Buds Live, and then you also get the Samsung tags, which we'll look at in a minute. But this is it. This is the Galaxy S21 5G in probably its smallest box of all time, because Samsung obviously have joined everyone else and decided that a charging brick is not what you need anymore with your phone. You don't need to charge your phone. I don't know if you can tell what color this phone is from the outside of the box, but we'll get to that in a second. And there's something actually I quite like about these smaller, thinner boxes, but let's go and have a look what you get inside it anyway. So when you open it up, on the inside you're greeted with that phone straight away, and even with the screen off and the flat edges of this Galaxy S21, I enjoy how it looks already. Some of the specs on this Galaxy S21 are actually really exciting, because you have that 6.2-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, and now that 120Hz is enabled by default, it really does take those Samsung Galaxy phones to the next level. And this will be the first time a lot of people are using 120Hz, and the difference is huge. And you can see it is in Phantom Violet with that little accented gold on the camera bump, and I didn't like the look of this when it first came out, but now I've got it. This is not too bad actually, this is quite nice. Then we'll move to what you get in the box. There we go. Nothing. You don't get anything in the box really with this phone. What you do get is a small little bit of paperwork, and then you get that SIM ejector tool, which you expect to get, but I'm surprised they haven't taken that out yet. And then the cable that they include for this time round is a USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you have a charging brick that has USB-C, then perfect. If not, then you might have to go and pick one up. But let's get back to the S21 anyway, and like I said, this violet color, this Phantom Violet, is incredibly nice. But let's turn it on and we'll go through the setup process as I talk a little bit more about this phone. It's a 6.2-inch screen, which I think is just about big enough. While this phone is turning on, let me just talk about the one thing I think a lot of people will miss this time, and that is that expandable storage. Samsung have taken that out, so you now cannot put in an SD card, a micro SD card, to expand any sort of storage, but it does come in a base storage of 128GB, which for most people should be enough. The setup process of this phone is fairly similar as they are with every single Samsung phone. It takes a bit of time to get into, but we will get there in the end. And while we're doing it, we should talk about the back of this phone, because it is not metal, it is a like matte plastic on the back, and it still does have wireless charging, but the matte plastic on the back, you can tell it's not as premium as what maybe the Galaxy S21 Ultra might be. As well as the wireless charging to charge your phone, it also has 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. So if you get any of those Galaxy Bud Pros or anything that needs to be wirelessly charged, you can pop it on the back of your phone and instantly get a little bit more charge. While the Galaxy S21 is setting up, we'll have a look at the stuff that comes free if you pre-order this phone. So you get these Galaxy Buds Live, which I wasn't a massive fan of when I got them last year, but you know, they are free headphones, so you can't turn that down. And they give you a black pair, I think, no matter what color phone you order, so it's okay. Like, I think the black is probably the best option you could have got. You also get these Samsung Galaxy Smart tags that come with every single pre-order as well, and I don't know a huge amount about these yet, but it looks like Samsung beat Apple in getting to their AirTags version, so we'll have a look at them, but it is nice to get those free in the box as well. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and obviously the screen has 120Hz, which I think now, because it's adaptive at 120Hz, it will work really well. I think that 4000 mAh battery should be okay, but we'll look at that in a couple of weeks. If you have a look a little bit more deeper into the phone, then you'll see that this phone has 8GB of RAM, and here in the UK it comes with that Exynos 2100 chip, whereas in the US it comes with the Snapdragon chip. And last year the Snapdragon was a lot better than the Exynos, but Samsung have said this year that Exynos is a lot better, so we will only see within time whether the Exynos now stacks up towards that Snapdragon phone. Now, the one thing that I'm looking forward to the most on this Galaxy S21 is I can use my thumb to unlock the phone again. I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro and wearing a mask, and trying to unlock it is really annoying, so having a thumbprint back should be really interesting. And the fingerprint reader on this is a little bigger than it has been on the last couple, so this will be really good in the world of masks to get a thumbprint back out. And the fingerprint reader here is working fairly well. It looks like I'm struggling a little bit, but I'm trying to use one hand to do it, and you should probably use two, but it's getting my finger pretty much every single time. And once you turn it on, there it is. That is the Galaxy S21 5G, and I'm always a massive fan of these Samsung screens. They always just pop and they're really vivid and they're really nice. You may have seen it on the box already, but the Samsung Galaxy S21 is a 5G enabled phone, which means that you can now get some of the quickest speeds when you're out and about if you wanted to download some data, documents, apps, videos, or even do some gaming on it. So when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, your phone is just as quick as if you were at home. There we go, there is the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So let us know in the comments what you think of this Samsung Galaxy S21, and if you enjoyed the video, why not give it a like and subscribe to the channel as well, because if you subscribe, that means you won't miss out on any of the latest tips that we have coming up on the Galaxy S21 and our full review on this phone. So if you subscribe, we'll see you on the next video.